Assalamu alaikum. My name is Daniel Yusuf and I am a student of International Medical University, fourth semester. Today we will discuss about anti-allergic drugs. Drug that is used for the treatment of allergic reactions. Our immune system play a crucial role in protecting our body against pathogens. But sometimes there is a exaggerated response. This exaggerated response is triggered by the interaction of the immune system with an antigen and is referred to as hypersensitivity. Sensitivity. Hypersensitivity reactions are classified into four types: type 1, type 2, type 3, and type 4. Type 1 reaction mediated by immunoglobulin E antibodies, allergy. Type 2 toxic reactions mediated by immunoglobulin G, immunoglobulin M antibodies. Example of type 2 HS include such some forms of anemia, blood transfusion reactions, certain platelet disorder, and some type of tissue implants transplant reactions. Type 3 reaction mediated by immune complexes. Type 3 hypersensitivity is common in systematic lupus eryth- erythematosus SLE and underlies most of the pathophysiology of this chronic autoimmune disease. Type 4 delayed reaction mediated by cellular response. Two common examples of delayed hypersensitivity that illustrate the various consequences of type 4 reaction are tuberculin type and contract hypersensitivity. Allergy develops when a person's immune system overreacts to substances that are usually harmless. Substances that provoke the immune system into an allergic response are known as allergens. There is no such thing as universal allergens. What might trigger a life-threatening allergic response in one person might cause absolutely no harm in other. The first time a person is exposed to allergen, they do not usually experience a reaction. It often takes times for the immune system to build up sensitivity to the substance. In time, the immune system learns to recognize and remember the allergens. As it does so, it starts making antibody to attack it when exposure occurs again. This build-up is called sensitization. Some allergies are seasonal. For example, hay fever symptom can peak between April and May when the tree and grass pollen count in the air is higher. A person may experience a more severe reaction as the pollen count rises. Leukocytes. When an allergic reaction occurs, allergen bind to antibody that the body produce called immunoglobulin E. Production of the immunoglobulin E is activated by T helpers, lymphocytes. Antibodies combat foreign and potentially harmful substance in the body. Once the allergen bind to IgE, immunoglobulin E, specific type of cell, including mast cells. Mast cells have stored histamine in it. That is a major or specific chemical for the inflammation, which leads chemical that trigger the symptom of allergic reaction. Actually, inflammatory reaction or chemical mediator of inflammations. Allergy. An allergic reaction occurs when the person response immune system become hypersensitive to certain substances such as food, pollen, pets, medication, bee venom, and others, just like dust, etc. Histamines. This causes the visible symptom of the localized allergic reaction. Histamine is a chemical mediator of inflammation. Also, it is stored in mast cells, pre-prepared, preformed, including histamine including runny nose, watery eyes, constriction of bronchus, and tissue swelling. Histamine is also contribute to general allergic conditions such as anaphylaxis, a severe and intermediate and often fatal response to exposure to previously encountered antigen. Anaphylaxis is especially common in susceptible individuals following insect stings. Anaphylaxis are also called anaphylactic shocks and immunology in immunology, a severe, intermediate, immediate, potentially fatal systematic energy reaction to contact with a foreign substance or antigen to which an individual has become sensitive. Class of anti-allergic drugs. Antihistamines, decongestants, corticosteroids, anti-leukotrienes, immunotherapy. Antihistamines used to treat allergy symptoms fall into two broad categories: sedating, first generation, and non-sedating, second generation. The first category include the order antihistamines. These allergy drugs leaves allergy symptom but cause drowsiness and other side effects including dry mouth. Newer antihistamines are said to be non-sedating, although some users may experience drowsiness even from these. Decongestants. These leaves a stuffy nose by constricting blood vessels. In other words, they are vasoconstrictors, which limits the amount of secretion coming from the inner lining of the nose. Corticosteroids. Another one is anti-leukotrienes. Leukotrienes, one of a group of chemical produced by the body that accompanies inflammation. Leukotrienes are believed to play a major role in causing the symptom of hay fever and asthma. Immunology. Corticosteroids. Cortisol is the major glucocorticosteroid in human. It has two primary action. It stimulates gluco glucogenesis, the breakdown of protein and fat to provide the metabolites that can be converted to glucose in the liver, and it activates anti-stress and anti-inflammatory pathway. It also have weak mineral corticoid activity. Cortisol. Reaching adequate plasma concentration of cortisol and corticosterone inhibit the secretion of ACTH from the adenohypophysis. Allergen immunotherapy, also known as desensitization or hyposensitization, is a medical treatment for environmental allergies such as insect bites and asthma. Immunotherapy involves exposing people to larger and larger amount of allergy in an attempt to change the immune system response. Name. Prescription antihistamine include azilastine eye drops, azilastine nasal spray, carbinoxamine palgic, otherwise del clavric, clarinex, atrax, hydrozine, levocitrazine oral, exile.